The battle over a brand new headquarters for a company called Axon continues tonight in Scottsdale. Residents in the area don't want it. They were getting ready to have a vote. The state passed a law saying, no, you can go ahead and have your headquarters. So the company is known for its tasers and body camera technology. It's always been an Arizona company, but now its proposal for a new headquarters with a hotel and apartments is causing a lot of division.
That's right. And tonight, the city council will vote on whether they will bring in outside counsel to help them fight this. 12 News journalist Bianca Bono is live outside of City Hall. And Bianca, what would they be using these legal fees for?
Essentially to explore their options. After last week, the governor signed a bill into law allowing Axon to move forward with its headquarters, which also includes a hotel and around 2,000 apartment units. And it really is the apartment piece of this that has gotten us to this point. Back in 2020, Axon bought land near the 101 and Hayden Road with the intention of building its brand new headquarters there. In 2023, they applied to rezone that land so they could also build a hotel and multifamily residential units. The company has said that some of those units would be for its employees. Shortly after the November election last year, the outgoing city council voted to approve that rezoning plan, and many residents here were not happy about that. So they created a petition and they gathered the number of required signatures, and it was certified, meaning the Axon headquarters plan would go on the November 2026 ballot for voters to decide. Since then, though, the legislature voted to pass a bill that would block that vote, and the governor signed it. Here's Governor Katie Hobbs explaining why she did.
When I sign this bill into law, I'll be thinking about the thousands of Arizona families that will keep their jobs here in the state that they call home. Now, you won't have to choose between losing your job or uprooting your family and moving out of state. You can stay here, and that's exactly where you belong.
And Axon CEO had said that had that bill not passed, he would have taken his company and left Arizona for either Texas or Florida. Now, a new development this afternoon, a group of opponents to this project has just announced that they'll be launching another referendum effort, this time statewide. Again, trying to gather enough signatures statewide this time to put a challenge to this law on the ballot next year. They'll need to gather around 130,000 signatures. So back to tonight, the Scottsdale City Council will be voting on whether to allocate $200,000 to bring in outside legal counsel to help them navigate their options here. The meeting just started a few minutes ago, so we'll bring you the results from that vote as soon as it happens. For now, we're live in Scottsdale. Bianca Bono, 12 News.
All right, we'll see you then, Bianca. Thank you.